Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today you will learn the use of chamfer command in AutoCAD. So let us begin our tutorial. First of all, I will use the zoom command, so you will better understand the concept of chamfer command. Now, press CH and press enter, active the chamfer command. Then select the length of first and put the numerical value T and hit enter. Now select the first line with the mouse cursor. Congratulations, you successfully learned the chamfer command. For more practice, then again select the second line to see the effect of chamfer command. Similarly again select the third line and fourth line to see the effect of chamfer command on the drawing. I hope you learned the chamfer command. So I hope you like our tutorial or press subscription button. Thanks.